Okay, so this is how this was sent to me. The motor here was not in a bag of any kind. There was an empty bag in here, which I think it turned out that was probably the throttle belonged in there. All these wires are just all over in here. Nothing's organized. The headlights sitting in here. I mean, the wires aren't even wrapped. No tie wraps on anything. There's pieces missing, and then this protective thing on here, wherever it was now, on the front of the motor, that plastic thing in here, like here, is kind of peeling off. So I don't know if it's like that or not, but that's not a big deal, that part. It doesn't look like it's been installed in any way, but the only thing that had wires in a tie wrap was this. Okay, and that's it. Everything else was just thrown and strewn in here. Oh, this was actually wrapped up too, part of it. I think that's the speedometer, I think. Another cable. So yeah, so I'm sure hoping it works, but I am kind of disappointed that I did not receive the spacers for the 73 millimeter thing, because it said that in the advertisement that it came with the extra long screws, and the instructions say you need 20 millimeter screws, and there's no 20 millimeter screws in here. So it did have the two tools. It's got this tool, which I already had that one, so I didn't really need that. That pulls your pedals off. But it came with this tool here, which it must be used to tighten the other things. So anyway, that's what I got.